Merry Christmas from Superhero JJ Kids. Happy holidays, everyone. This Christmas, we wish you joy, peace, and happiness in abundance. Let's come together to spread love, hope, and light to everyone around. To all our incredible supporters, whether you've purchased our books, watched our YouTube channel, followed us on social media, or shared our posts, we appreciate you. You're a vital part of our journey, and your encouragement means the world to us. Christmas is a time we celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. May his love and blessing fill your hearts and home with peace, joy, and hope. From our family to yours, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with gratitude and love, Superhero JJ Kids.